Assalamualaikum students, continuing the same topic, completing the square method. We'll take some more questions from the book. So we discussed the questions till 4, that how can you solve these questions by using the formula we proved. Okay, the next question is express each of the following in the form AX. Now, this is inside, rather, it's outside. They have not taken it common. They are saying don't take the 9 as common and make it inside the square. Okay, so we'll solve one question out of these questions. So I'm going to select this part C. Okay, how to solve this question. Let me paste it. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have to complete the square. So we'll use the older method, which I told you to when we were proving this. Let me take out that. Okay, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. So we will use this method to change this into a square plus 2ab form, and to know about b, and I will add b square and subtract b square to complete the square. So in the same way, we'll use this method here. So what we are going to do, well, this 25x square can be written as 5x whole square, and plus this is 2 into, we know what is a, our a is 5x, so 2a, so we'll write down 5x. Now we have to find out what is b to make it the product, to make the product equal to 40x. So this is 2 5s are 10, and 10 4s are 40, so this will become 40, and x, so this will become 40x. That means we have found b as 4. Now this is a square plus 2ab, so b square should be added to make it perfect square. So this will become 4 square as we have added. So we'll subtract as well, subtract 4 square, and at the last minus 4 was already there, so we'll write it minus 4. So from here to here, this will become a square minus 2 plus 2ab plus b square, and this will become a plus b whole square. A plus b, where a is 5x and b is 4, so 5x plus 4 whole square. So now we have changed this one into this one. So this is left. This is 16. 4 4 is 16 minus 4. This will become minus 20. So we have completed this square. Okay, let's go back to the exercise 1b. Next question is, so all these questions are the same. So what you have to do, you have to change it into, question number 5. We have done question number 5. So we have to change it into 3x whole square, 2x whole square, and 3x whole square, and we'll change it into squared form. Solve the following by completing the square. Now they are quadratic equations, and they are saying solve the following by using completed square form, completing the square method. So let me select one question. So I'll select this question, x square minus 9x plus 14 equals to 0. How can we solve this equation by using completing the square method? So we'll paste this. Let me paste it in here. Okay, so Okay, first of all, we'll complete the square. So this is x square minus nx. So x minus n over 2 whole square and minus n over 2 whole square. We have completed the square till here, these two, and we'll bring this 14 to the other side, or you can write it on this side as well, no problem. You can bring it in the next step. Okay, this will become x minus 4.5 whole square and minus let me use the calculator. So this will become, sorry, 4.5 into, I'm using the my mobiles. Okay, this will become minus 6.25 is equal to 0. So bring this 6.25 on the other side. This will become x minus 4.5 whole square is equal to 6.25. And taking square root on both sides, this will become x minus 4.5 is equal to plus minus, taking square root of 6.25, this will become 2.5 plus minus 2.5. And bring this 4.5 to the other side, this will become 4.5 and plus minus 2.5. Once positive, once negative, and we'll get the two values of x. X is equal to 4.5 plus 2.5, and x is equal to 4.5 minus 2.5. So this will become 7, and the second answer is 2. So go back to the exercise. Next question is question number 7. They are saying solve by completing the square. Leave your answers in the third form. If you are given that, leave your answer in the third form, or they are saying that give your answer in exact form, or the exact answer is required, then you are not going to use the calculator to change it into decimal form, or you are rounding off your answer. That would become wrong, because that would not be the exact answer. So we'll solve one part. Let me select this part F. Okay, part F is I've copied down, and I'll paste it in the page. Okay, so let me paste it here. Okay, this is the question. Now we have to we have to solve this by using completed square form and leaving the answer in the third form. So first of all, we'll divide the whole equation by 2 to remove 2, because 2 is not a perfect square and we cannot change it into square form. So we'll divide it by 2. So this will become x square minus 4x minus 1.5. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Now this is x square minus nx. So n is 4. So we'll apply the formula x square minus nx is equal to x minus n over 2 whole square minus n over 2 whole square. So complete the square. X minus 4 over 2 whole square minus 4 over 2 whole square minus 1.5 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 whole square and minus 4 minus 1.5 and minus 5.5 is equal to 0. X minus 2 whole square is equal to 5.5, and this will become x minus 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 5.5. So I think we should write it 3 by 2, 5 instead of, yes. So this will become 5.5 is 11 by 2. 11 by 2. So, okay, square root of 11 by 2. Okay, bring this 2 to the other side. This will become minus 2, will become plus 2, plus minus, and 11 by 2. Uh, so, this is your answer in the third form, leaving your answer in the third form. Okay, let me check in the book. So, we have this triangle, and triangle will use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we'll create an equation and solve it as we have done this. And this is power 4. So if you take fourth root, this will become plus minus 1. Once you'll take the base equals to 1, and once you'll take the base equals to minus 1. Okay, going to the next exercise. This is solving the quadratic equation